Hi guys, this is Papa Crescendo back again with another spectacular video. This time I'm going to show you how to do a PNG file. With any picture that you have, I can show you how to turn it into a PNG. But the first question is, what is a PNG file? Well, a PNG file, right here, according to Google, the portable network graphic file format is ideal for digital art, flat images, logos, icons, and it uses 24-bit color as a foundation to the ability to use transparency. Channel increases the versatility of this file type. Blah, blah, blah. What does that mean? Basically means it's a transparent file that only shows what you want. The background is completely gone from the picture. Any picture you want. And then you can use that and put it on top of any background of your choice. This video will show you how to do it for free. So the very first thing we're going to do, you're going to go to Photo Editor Online, and it's actually pixlr.com. So that's right here, pixlr.com. I will also put it in the description below. It's a free online program that you can use to do all kinds of awesome things like thumbnails and like any logo art for your merch or any kind of artwork that you want to do. Here's where you're going to go. So the very first thing we're going to do here is we're going to click on right here, Playful Pixlr X. That's the one you want. So just go ahead and click on that. And then once you're on this page, you're just going to click on Open Image. Now there are some ads that are going to be popping up. Just ignore those. Click on Open Image. And right here I'm at my son's computer, Mind the J, who's a YouTuber. Check out his channel. And we're going to go ahead and pick some random picture here. How about this Fort Nut 5? Wait a minute. Let's do something easier. So I'm going to click on this Papa Crescendo one. There we go. Full HD, of course. We want full HD. Click Apply. And now here we have a real easy picture. So I'll do two. I'm going to do one that's really easy and then one a little more complex. So right now what I want to do here is get rid of this white background. If I upload this anywhere, it's going to have this square with the white in it, and I don't want the white. So the very first thing you do is once you open the image, go over here and click on these three dots. Now don't forget to do this, okay, or you'll go crazy. Click on the three dots and then click Unlocked. Okay, then it disappears. Click on it again just to make sure that it's blue. See how it's blue? Unlocked. Now that means that this whole picture here has been completely unlocked. We can go ahead and exit out of that. Now we're going to go over here to this side, and you see here where it says cut out. Let's go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to go up here to the tool area, and there's this magic cutout. And what we're going to do is click on that. Turns blue. And before we click on this white, and all this white will disappear, you need to understand this tolerance. It's going to say, how aggressive do you want me to be? Do you want me to take all the white out? Yes, I want all the white out. So I'm going to go full 100% aggressive and take this out. Now watch what happens. Magic. Just select anywhere in the white. Click. Boom, all the white's gone. Most of it's gone. You can see a little bit here that's still there, some of it here, but that's pretty aggressive. It took it all out. Now, what I don't like about this, if you look really careful right here around the P, the edge of the red, you'll still see white. So it's not really smooth. So I'm going to go over here and click Undo. See right here, Undo. And I'm going to do one more thing. See, if I click on light under softness, I click on light, it'll make it a much lighter cut. Then go ahead and select the white. And now if you look at the edges, they almost glow a little bit. Right now, real nice, smooth cut. I prefer the medium myself. I'm going to go ahead and click Undo again. The beautiful thing about this program is that if you make a mistake or there's something you don't like, you can just click on Undo right here and then redo. It's very easy. Let's select medium on the softness this time, 100% tolerance, and we click on the white again, and now check it out. You've got this real nice glow around the red. It doesn't have those little sharp edges, and that's a really, really nice cut. All right, so now we're going to continue. You don't want this white in the P. I just click it. Boom, it's gone. Click on this. Boom, it's gone. Look at that. Just make sure that you click right on it. Now what about these? We can click on those too. Look, just make sure that it's not on the black. But let's pretend you do click on the black. Then you can just undo it. So we're going to click these off really quick, okay? See how easy this is? And this is a free program that you can use. You don't even have to download it. You use it online. You can watch this video every single time you do this, so you know exactly how to do it. And I'm clicking these off, and ta-da, it's done. Now once you have finished, and I will show you how to do a few other tools on the next picture, okay? We're gonna go ahead down here and hit save. So I'm happy with this. I'm gonna hit save. Make sure you save it as a PNG. It's already selected blue. And then I would also label this PNG. So we'll do space PNG, and I'll do PNG 2 because I think I already have that. And then hit download right here, and then it should pop up like this. This is the actual picture itself. Now all I have to do is go here and do File, Save As, and save this wherever I want it. I'll save it here under Mind the J, and it's done. Okay, so that's how you do that. Now let's do one that's more difficult. Okay, so I'm going to close this out. It's going to save it here, which is kind of cool, and I'm going to open another image. So go right here, click Open Image, and this time I'm going to pick this Fortnite right here. This is a much more difficult image because if you look, there's a lot of orange. It's not clear cut. You've got this guy right here has got orange hair, or this girl's got orange hair. There's orange on this gear right here. A lot of orange going on. So if I go cut and I go magic cut and I do 100% tolerance and I click it, boom. Look at that. I just deleted this guy's head or girl's head. That's just not good. And that's on medium, by the way. I could do, let's do undo. I'm going to go none. Watch what happens. It's a lot sharper. Boom. So that's not clear cut. So I'm going to undo. The best thing to do in this situation is let's lower that tolerance to, let's try 40. And I'll leave it at none for now. And I'm going to start with the heavy orange up here. So that's cool. That was pretty good. That chopped out a lot. And let's keep going with that 40 tolerance. And maybe we can go light on the softness. And then I'm going to start clicking around. That's not too bad. See, I didn't delete this guy's head. Click right here. And you can just kind of click around. Now this didn't delete here. What I could do is increase the tolerance a little bit and just click right on it, and it should. Oh, let's go none. Wow, it's not going. Okay, that did not work. I can get rid of this though. I'll show you later. Now I'm a little higher on the tolerance. Let me lower it back down to 50. Leave it at. I'm gonna leave it at light. Okay. Some of this didn't come out. I'm not happy with that. But see, just go around and click it. And if any of these, like this one got rid of some of his armor, I didn't like that. So let's undo and go lower on that tolerance and click on here. There we go, much better. Did you see that? That was cool. I didn't get rid of his armor on that. Click on these. Maybe I'll undo that and increase the tolerance a little bit. And click on that, okay. And now let's go ahead and get rid of some of these other big pieces here. I didn't like that, so I'm gonna undo. I'm gonna go to none on this. There we go, that's better. Let's increase the tolerance to like 100 here. It'll get rid of all of the orange in here. A lot of these we can do 100. That was not good. 100 does not work there. I just got rid of her face. So we'll go back to 40. Maybe a little more. Well, let's undo that. And then we'll go to 51. And we'll keep going. Okay, someone just give me some food, so we'll keep clicking on these. You know, and you're gonna need a little patience, right? But just keep going. Ooh, that was good. That was a good one. I don't want to cut her leg off, so I didn't. The 51's working really nice. I like that tolerance. What is this white thing? Was that supposed to be there? I don't like it. Let's get rid of it. But you can play around with it and really find out the tolerance on these. Okay, so there we go. That's pretty much the big stuff. Okay, I can go around here and pretty much click on any of these little oranges that are still around here and get rid of it. Now, oh, here's a big one. Boom, let's get rid of that, and let's get rid of that. Nice, guys. What do you think of that? What is happening here? Is that part of his gun? I don't know what that is. All right, so now I want to clean this up. All I got to do now is move over here to this draw cutout. Okay, and depending on the size, it's pretty good size, but look, I can make it bigger. See the big circle? That's way too big, so let's keep it lower around here, around maybe 72 px. And then you can increase the softness, so if you don't want to be too harsh on the cut, you can increase the softness or lower the softness. So right now, watch, I can just go like this, and anything in that circle is going to get touched. Yeah, I'll go right by the hair. Okay, boom, look at that. That line's gone. Now it's too soft, so I'm going to undo that. I'm going to redo that again. This time I'm going to go strong, 100% strong, man. Let's go. I'm good right here. And all this, be really careful there by the hair, and let's get right there. Bam, that was better. I might have to do some of this stuff again, so. If it doesn't work the first time, do it again. And then you can clean this up as much as you want. So, I'm cleaning that up. I don't like this at all. I didn't like this from the beginning. Okay, let's get rid of that. That's really annoying. Alright, so see how that's coming along, guys? Look at that. Let's get rid of some of this here. Okay. That's pretty good for, you know, not taking too much time. And what you can do is add a background to this, which the next video I'm going to show you how to add a background. Oh, look, I don't like this. So check this out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this bigger. I'm going to go real hard on this, and we're just going to go boom. Let's get rid of this. Look at that. Come on, it should get rid of it better. I wonder why it's not stronger than that. It should be stronger than that, but we'll keep doing it until it's gone. Just gone. Get rid of that bird. Get rid of that bird. Okay, so look, it's gone now. Done. So there you have it, guys. I just got rid of that background. This was a more complex background. You saw how I did it. You can play with some other tools here. There's this lasso cutout. There's this shape cutout. You can play with all of that. And on the next video, we're going to show you how to make this into a really cool thumbnail, and I'm going to add a universe background to it. We'll go ahead and save this. Again, save it to PNG, Fortnite 5 PNG 2, because I think we've already saved this before. We'll hit the download on it, and there it is. We'll go here, file, save as. See, the background's completely gone, so when the background comes in, it'll fill the Fortnite in the back. And we'll save it as that right there. Make sure it's a PNG. And there it is. So that's how you can do PNG, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. The next video, I'm going to take this. I'm going to make a really awesome thumbnail with a universe background, add a whole bunch of things to it, and show you guys how to make really cool thumbnails for free. Really easy. And thanks a lot for watching. If you have any comments, please put them in the place your comments in the comment section. I will respond. I'll try to respond to all of them. And if you have any suggestions as well, please, I'm open to those. So thanks for watching. Papa Crescendo signing out. And remember that may the cube lead you to the cross. Papa Crescendo merch is dropping in a couple of days. Thanks, and God bless you all.